Your body slams your eyes shut before you even know you're sneezing. It's not a choice. The signal that closes your eyelids is the same nerve firing the sneeze, the fifth cranial nerve, hijacking both at once. A sneeze rockets air out at 100 miles per hour. Your eyes shut to protect themselves from your own explosion. But here's the part that should scare you. You can't override it, because the command never reached the thinking part of your brain at all. Be honest, did you just try to sneeze with your eyes open?